Welcome to the BIOMAC Decision Support Tool. The Decision Support Tool of the BIOMAC project was developed to guide small businesses and research institutions in identifying the most efficient and sustainable pathways for producing intermediate or final products from different biomasses. The BIOMAC Decision Support Tool offers two main functionalities: the step-by-step analysis and the optimal value chain path. The step-by-step analysis can be used when you want to select and compare a bio-based process. On the other hand, the optimal value chain path feature is used to find the optimal bio-based process in terms of greenhouse gas emissions or cost. Additionally, visit the Processes and Technologies explanation section to learn more about the bio-based processes behind the tool. Let's explore the step-by-step, where you can select and compare a bio-based process. Within this feature, you can explore and compare 5 final bio-based products, or several bio-based intermediate products in the categories of monomers, nanocomposites, and polymers. Once you have selected your preferred product, you insert the desired production quantity and define the type of biomass feedstock. The tool will present the value chain for producing the desired element and its associated impacts. At the bottom you will find the greenhouse gas emissions, ecotoxicity, energy consumption, costs, and total biomass needed. On the top right, you can also compare the impacts of using different biomass types for the same product output. And for more details on the impact of each sub-process, click on it. The second feature offered by the BIOMAC Decision Support Tool is the optimal value chain path. You can start by selecting a biomass or an intermediate and final product. Define the quantity you wish to produce and set your optimization parameter, either minimizing cost or minimizing greenhouse gas emissions. The tool will generate the optimal production paths that minimize the selected, prioritized impact. The first path represents the most favorable option according to the user's top priority. The other alternative paths allow a higher tolerance of the prioritized impact. To explore a path in more detail, click See Path, which reveals the sequence of processes involved along with the corresponding greenhouse gas emissions per year, energy consumption, total cost, the quantity of biomass required, and the final or intermediate product produced. In the development of bio-based nanocomponents, navigating the complexity of processes and understanding their environmental and economic impacts can be a real challenge. Thanks to the BIOMAC Decision Support Tool, you can explore, compare, and optimize bio-based nano-enabled processing pathways, supporting more informed and sustainable decisions. The tool is fully customizable and can be adapted to other sectors or projects. This is a service we offer to support tailored decision-making in sustainable innovation. Visit the BIOMAC project website to learn more about the innovative solutions the Open Innovation Testbed can offer your organization.